while we're looking at the control editor, I want to take a look at specifically the Mackie control settings template for any DAW you're going to be using basically, but I'm going to show it off in Logic here. So I simply just opened a new Logic, put in 8 instrument tracks right away. And so one of the things you can see is, and I have the control editor here opened up as well so you can see, but this is not something you're going to have open at the same time. So just so you can see in reference to what it's doing. But at the top here I can, solo my tracks as I wish. And what's great is you get really nice feedback on everything. So you can see what's soloed, what's not. Come into mutes, mute or solo, however you want. You also have volume control for each section here. And then several other options. So you want to select your different tracks. You can actually go in, select which track you want to have recording at one time, assign anything, control EQs, dynamics, anything like this. Play, record, stop, stop again to go back to 0. Really cool stuff here. So even say you want to go through and scroll through something like the plugins. So I can come on channel 1. Let's load up the, sure, why not, stereo delay. You have this push right here. So at which time it's like pushing down the button to actually load it up on the Mackie control. And you can see right away I have virtual pots to control all sorts of things. Everything is going to be laid out right here, so I know if I want left feedback, here we go, right feedback, all the good stuff. So one thing to do to actually get this set up first of all is a little preparation. So we have to come in here into the preferences, and you're going to come to MIDI. So under MIDI you have control surfaces, and what you're going to want to do the first time you set this up is come into the setup here. I already have it set up, so disregard this, but you would come to new and you would go install, at which point you have a nice big list of everything that Logic can read here. So you're just going to come down to the Mackie control and you're going to add it in. So once it's added in, you get this page, and the only thing you have to really do is come here and make sure this is assigned to MIDI import 0. The import 0 is basically going to be the one that will automatically map it, and really that's your only setup. It's quite nice and easy, at which point you put Maschine into control mode, remember, and make sure you have selected the Mackie control template, and then basically get mixing. It's a really powerful tool.